Here's how to replace the brush head on an Oral-B 1000 Pro or Oral-B Pro 1000 electric toothbrush. First of all, before you buy the replacement, you need to make sure that the package is compatible with your Oral-B toothbrush. So all you need to do is just pop the head off. It takes a little bit of pressure and it'll come right off. Super straightforward. Now, Oral-B does have two different types of electronic toothbrushes. They have the IO and the Pulsonic, and those are different connections, and they will not fit the Pro 1000. So here you can see it's got the Oral-B brand. This is an absolutely brand new head. Super straightforward. You gotta just yank it out of this package here. See that they're very similar, differences in color. Obviously, one's used, one's not used. And so if I'm going to replace this, it's going to hold the handle firmly. You do kind of have to look at there's a little metal groove there. You'll see a slot. That metal shaft actually is a good way. You honestly probably should. I'm not going to replace this fully here. I'm just doing it for a demo. You should probably clean this part with a thing off. Good opportunity. But it pops right back on there. So it slides straight down on that metal shaft. And then you want to give it a test run. Looks like it works perfectly fine. And so Oral-B does recommend that you replace this brush head about every 3 months, or sooner if the bristles themselves become damaged, worn, or frayed.